Welcome to the ARDMS SPI review class, week 1, class 1. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I offer complete ARDMS SPI review course. It includes semi-interactive console questions. My website is ultrasoundphysicstutor.com. My contact information is below. I'm teaching ultrasound physics for the last 6 years, and 99% of my students have passed the SPI examination on the first attempt. The topics we're going to cover in part 1 is math overview, proportionality, scientific notations. We are going to cover pulse echo technique, range equation, an important concept in part 2. Let's talk a little bit about proportionality. Proportionality is two kinds. It is direct proportionality and indirect proportionality. So direct proportionality is an increase in one variable or a change in percentage of one variable results in the same increase or increase in percentage of the related variable. A decrease in one variable or a decrease in percentage of one variable results in the same or decrease in percentage of the related variable. For example, A is directly related to B and C, so whatever you do to A, the same thing will happen to B or C. So here we are talking about directly proportional. So A and B are directly proportional. What it means is whatever you do to B or C, the same thing is going to happen to A. So if you increase B 2 times, A will also increase 2 times. Again, if you decrease C by half, A will also decrease by half. Now over here, A and B are directly proportional, so whatever you do to B, the same thing will happen to A, but here A and C are indirectly proportional because C is in the denominator. So here, whatever you do to C, the opposite will happen to A. For example, if you increase C 2 times, A will become half. So we simply flip the number. We can also write 2 divided by 1, so we are going to flip the number. A will become half. In the same way, if we decrease C by 1/4, A will become 4 times. So A and C are indirectly related. Indirectly proportional, again, an increase in one variable results in decrease in the related variable, or decrease in percentage results in the increase or decrease in the related variable. Now let's talk a little bit about scientific notations. Scientific notations are shorthand methods of writing very large or very small numbers. Rule is shift the decimal point so that resulting number is no less than 1 but less than 10, multiplied by the appropriate power of 10. So if we have so here we are going to put the decimal between 3 and 0 and then put 3.0 into 10 to the power of, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 10 to the power of 5. Here we're going to put the decimal between 2 and 4 and write down 2.4567 into 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is an extremely small number, so we're going to put a decimal between 5 and 6 and write down 5.678 and go left. Whenever we go left, we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're going to put 10 to the power of -6 because it is an extremely small number. Here are some more examples. So here we're going to put the decimal in between 3 and 4 and we're going to write down 3.4567 into 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 10 to the power of 4. Now here this is an extremely small number, so we're going to put the decimal between 8 and 9, so it will be between 1 and 10. So it will be 8.9 into 10 to the power of, we're going to count backwards, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, so 10 to the power of -4. This one again, since it's negative, we're going to move the decimal to the left, so 1, 2, 3, we're going to put 2 zeros in front of it, so it will be 0.0034. Now here is positive, so we're going to move to the right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to put 3 zeros after this, so it will be 9, 0, 0, 0. Again, I offer